Hello and welcome to this video tutorial about how to install the WP Booking System plugin. Let's get started. The first step is to go to our website and log into your account. Go to the File Downloads tab and download the main plugin file to your PC. Then, go to your WordPress website's WP admin dashboard and click on the Plugins menu. You'll see we have no plugins currently installed. In case you have the free version of the plugin installed, make sure you deactivate and delete it first, otherwise an error will appear when trying to install the premium version. Click on the Add New button, then on the Upload Plugin button. Click on Choose File and select the zip file you downloaded earlier and click Install Now. The plugin was installed successfully. Click on the Activate Plugin button. You'll now see the WP Booking System plugin in the left-hand side menu. You'll notice a message at the top of the screen saying that the plugin is not registered. To register the plugin, go to the Settings submenu and click on the Register Website tab. Go back to your account page on our website and click on the Your License tab. Copy your serial key, go back to the WP Admin tab, and paste your key in the serial key field. Click on the Register Website button, and that's it.